Woo! What are you doing, goofball?
I guess we can put out the sprinkler now when the pool's closed. You about ready for your bath?
Did he get you?
He got himself. Hey, are you all wet?
Are you done, Connor? Connor, let me see.
Let's see Mama. We're going to do it again?
Is that fun?
Oh, you missed.
Uh-oh. Connor? Connor, was that fun? Connor, was that fun? Look at me, please. Was that fun?
Go right through the mist.
Woo! Is that fun? Go get Daddy. Go get him.
Thinking about it.
Go get Daddy. Connor, go get Daddy. Go get him. Connor. Don't just stand there. Go get him.
Can you bring it to me? Can you bring me the hose?
Get him, get him, get him, get him. Connor, where are you going? Come back.
I think he's had enough.
Come back. Okay. Are you done?
Can we go inside and take a bath in warm water? Okay, let's go inside and take a bath.